Toyota is launching its first zero-emission, battery electric vehicle in the UK, the Proace Electric, medium-duty panel van, adding a powerful new dimension to its Toyota professional range of light commercial vehicles. The new model signals the company's commitment to applying different electrification technologies to meet different mobility requirements. With a generous driving range of up to 205 miles, Proace Electric gives customers access to the growing number of low and zero-emission zones. For business users working in urban areas, the extent of the driving range means daily recharging may not be necessary, minimizing their vehicle's downtime. At present, alternative fuel vehicles account for only a fraction, around 1.8%, of new LCV sales in the UK, but a number of factors are accelerating demand for practical alternatives to vans with conventional internal combustion engines. Low and zero-emission zones are coming into force to reduce local pollution and improve air quality in urban centers, at the same time as rapid growth in e-commerce is generating more day-to-day delivery traffic. Consumers are actively seeking cleaner forms of transport, and large corporations are making electrified vehicles a requirement within their fleet tender processes. Customer interest is also increasing as manufacturers bring more models to market and they become more visible on city streets. Toyota is taking an early initiative with the introduction of Proace Electric. The new model not only rivals the best power, performance and charging requirements within its battery electric vehicle segment, it goes further by delivering just the same quality and load-carrying practicality as its diesel-powered equivalent. Key customer concerns have been addressed, including driving range, charging times and battery quality. This makes Proace Electric a smart choice for customers who need to access zero-emission zones, giving them the opportunity to develop new, cost-efficient business models that deliver environmental performance while maintaining service levels. Proace Electric can be specified with either of two lithium-ion battery packs to suit different customer driving requirements. These power a front-mounted electric motor, which drives the front wheels, giving smooth quiet performance with zero emissions. The smaller of the two is an 18-module 50 kWh battery, gives a best-in-class driving range of up to 142 miles. This will be ideal for customers making regular short urban journeys or organizations working across a large campus or industrial park. The larger, 27-module unit has a 75 kWh capacity. It gives the electric Proace models the ability to cover up to 205 miles on a full charge, giving owners peace of mind when they have to make longer trips or have a busy schedule between recharging opportunities. Toyota researched the needs of its target customers in Europe and found the majority typically covered only around 28 miles in a working day. The generous driving range provided by both battery options means that for most owners, the new Proace Electric will not require daily recharging, reducing the vehicle's downtime. The driving range can be affected by a number of external factors, including the weather and temperature, the road type and quality, the driver's driving style, and the payload being carried. Proace Electric has three driving modes: Eco, Normal and Power, selected using a center console-mounted switch. When driving in power mode, maximum power output from both batteries is 134 horsepower 100 kilowatts, with peak torque of 260 Nm delivered from startup. Top speed is electronically limited to 80 miles per hour, and 0 to 62 miles per hour acceleration can be accomplished in 12.1 seconds with the 50 kilowatts battery, 13.3 seconds with the 75 kilowatts unit. In eco mode, output is reduced to 81 horsepower, 60 kilowatts with 190 newton meters of torque, while in normal mode the electric system produces 108 horsepower, 80 kilowatts with 210 newton meters. Speed and ease of charging are important considerations for customers who need to minimize the amount of time their vehicle is off the road. Toyota has provided charging options for the Proace Electric to suit different customer needs. All models come with a 7.4 kilowatt single-phase onboard charger and a 6 meters Type 2 cable for connection to a home charging socket, plus a 7 meters Type 2 cable for connection to a 32 ampere wallbox system. As an option, a faster 11 kilowatts tri-phased onboard charger can be specified. The connection socket in the front left wing is compatible with public party fast charging charge points. Recharging time will vary according to power supply criteria in different markets, but a fast charging 100 kilowatts DC system will deliver an 80% charge in around 32 minutes for the 50 kilowatts battery and 48 minutes for the 75 kilowatts battery. The new Proace Electric is launched in a single version in the UK, a panel van with a medium body length. This is in line with the market requirement, this style and size of van being established as the most popular within Toyota's Proace diesel van range. With the battery located entirely beneath the vehicle floor, there is no impact on Proace's load capacity in any version. Moreover, this design adds to the vehicle's stability and rigidity, contributing to stable and responsive performance. Similarly, payload and towing capacity are at best-in-class levels. The medium version is 4,959 mm long and has a 3,275 mm wheelbase. Fitted as standard the ingenious smart cargo system, the van has an overall load length extending to 3,674 mm and a load capacity of 5.8 cubic meter. The sliding side door openings are wide enough for standard-size Euro pallets to be loaded. Proace Electric equals the best models in its class with a 1-ton payload. This increases to 1.266 tons on vans fitted with the lighter, 50 kilowatt-hours battery. Towing capacity is also at a best-in-class level, at 1 ton. These capabilities reinforce the status of Proace Electric as an eminently practical choice for customers. The new Proace Electric is available in a single model grade, Icon, providing a strong combination of practicality, safety and comfort features found in the conventionally powered range, together with a number of items specific to its all-electric status. The specification includes manual air conditioning, automatic wipers and headlights, cruise control, electronic parking brake, rear parking sensors, power-adjustable heated, retracting door mirrors, a 7-inch touchscreen with display audio, color multi-information display, DAB reception, Bluetooth, smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, eCall and USB ports. The driver's seat has an armrest and is height adjustable and has adjustable lumbar support. The load area has 2 lights and a 12-volt power outlet with a further power socket in the cabin. The driver's instrument binnacle has been adapted to include dials and meters specific to the vehicle's battery and electric motor performance. The arrangement includes an electric vehicle system indicator, divided into charge, eco, and power sections, and an electricity consumption indicator, showing the draw on battery power from the cabin air conditioning system. In the center of the display, a 3.5-inch color multi-information display provides additional electric vehicle functions, including a real-time indication of energy flow, the level of battery charge, and the remaining driving range. In place of a gear shift, the driver uses an e-toggle control on the center console to engage park and select drive, neutral, and reverse. There is also a B switch to activate additional regenerative braking each time the driver takes their foot off the accelerator pedal. Different drive modes can be selected using a switch alongside the e-toggle. This lets the driver choose between eco, normal, and power modes to suit their preference and the driving conditions. In each mode, the level of power and torque is adjusted, detailed in the powertrain chapter above. The Proace Electric has an electronic parking brake as standard, operated using a switch mounted between the front seats. The charging point is located on the vehicle's front left wing, covered by a hinged flap. It features an indicator to the right of the socket that illuminates to show the charging status. When no cable is attached, no light shows. With the cable plugged in, a white light indicates standby mode. Flashing green shows charging in progress, and constant green indicates charging is complete. A blue light illuminates when a programmable charging function has been selected, and a red light warns of an error or that the nozzle is still locked in place. For convenience, the driver can use their remote key to disconnect the nozzle from the charging socket. The red indicator light will go out when the nozzle is unlocked. The cable must be removed within 30 seconds, after which the nozzle will re-lock. The new Proace Electric is available in 4 colors: white, dark gray, silver, and black. Proace Electric was introduced to initial European markets, Norway, Netherlands, and Switzerland, in the fourth quarter of 2020. From the first quarter of 2021, it is being launched in the United Kingdom, Denmark, Finland, France, Germany, Italy, Spain, and Sweden. Initial deliveries will during the fourth quarter of 2021. More details and product specifications will be announced soon. Following Proace Electric, the Toyota Professional Commercial range in the UK will be complemented by the compact Proace City Electric, battery electric model.